Alright guys, I'm back. Welcome back to the channel, Cam Bam. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cam Bam back in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, you know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to the cameraman, my boy Jermaine, behind the, you know what I'm saying, behind the scene with it. But today's video, I'm gonna just be trying to pick up as many females as I can, you know what I'm saying? Try to get some phone numbers, might get a couple snaps, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? See what we can do, but you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good shit, you know what I'm saying? Let's hop into it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at me.
You know it?
The market. The market. What's up? I think I know y'all.
You don't know none of this.
Yes, I do. How you gonna tell me? How old are you? I think I know.
Man, like 13.
Going to jail. Oh no. How you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
Okay, I got a quick question. Before I ask y'all your ages, what is y'all types?
I have a boyfriend.
That's beautiful.
We don't answer the Tall, athletic, a little bit melanin.
We talking like Wakanda dark or like the table, like that table dark. Like TV, like TV dark. Like black screen.
Like, I don't know, we could say the table and the chair. That's the range.
Okay, another question. I didn't already tell y'all that young, so I can't interrupt. Okay, but I got another question. What qualifies somebody as a good husband?
Loyal, works all the time.
Works a lot, like a good worker.
Making the money.
Okay, speaking on money, because this is a serious topic. How much a year minimum would you like your husband to make? Be realistic. Minimum a year. 300K. So
I'm trying to be living good.
like how much? 80,000. Okay. Okay. You said okay, 80, 300. So you're gonna be like a traditional, woman making kind of stay at home, cook, clean, stuff like that. And just how your man had the guys. Alright, we got.
Your eyes are really pretty.
Thank you.
I'm gonna let y'all eat. I'm sorry. So if y'all do want to subscribe, YouTube channel is Cam Bam.
That's what my mom. That's what people call my mom. That's crazy. Wait, so like we're gonna be on. Want to see what?
If you want to do.
What are you going to?
Like everywhere around. Hey. Well, I do got to order. Okay. But it's not like on the menu though.
What you got?
I gotta ask you a question.
Oh, you gotta ask my little question.
I got all the questions. Okay, my name is George. So my name is
Yep.
yeah, so my name is George. Deep down along these lines in A&E, I used to be the mother's cousin's father's dog, sister's twins, cousin, first cousin's legally born sibling. So I own like 2% of this company. That's past the point. Anyway, my name is Cameron. What's your name?
I'm sorry, you just confused me on the page.
That's beautiful. What's your name? That's also beautiful. How about you?
Jessica?
That's amazing. Okay, first question. How old are you guys?
18.
Okay. I'm gonna make a deal. The deal is, I'm gonna say a pickup line. Depending on what I say on this pickup line, depending on what I say on this pickup line, if it's good enough, I have to at least get a type of social, Instagram, Snapchat, something. Phone number you want to slide it in? I'm not. Whatever. So, yes or no?
Okay.
That's great. All right, cool. Now I gotta come on. Okay, this is off the dome, but I ain't come on one, so I gotta think. Hold on.
You should have been more prepared.
Yeah.
You're knocking your chances down real low.
Hold on, wait, hold on. I got it though. Hold on, I got it.
Well, I feel like I'm all in y'all video.
Hold on. I ain't a good pick on my person.
You supposed to think of this on the way
Lower,
here.
I should.
Yeah.
I should.
You
You know,
too.
I don't have a pick of mine.
You too,
Look, look.
Just think of something. Come on. You can't have something
Horrible.
Yeah, it can't be any worse than the ones I heard.
Honestly, look.
Well, y'all slide up there and do that.
Slide,
Hello.
Slide.
Your orders for
You think of one yet?
No. Yeah, I like come to the camera so I can see a beautiful face. Yeah, I'm gonna be like a Alright, first question, can y'all get started?
What?
I'm
sorry, I work for me, so I'm not sure.
Can y'all get started?
Do y'all know what that
I
is?
have a birthday.
Yeah, I know what that is. You do?
Yeah.
I know you ain't just fine, so come on, we're gonna get started. Come on.
I cannot.
Let's go, come on.
I have a birthday.
Get somebody else to do it.
Okay. We gotta look for it, guys.
Okay.
Like tall, short, tight,
Well, I'm pretty
race.
tall, so.
Yeah. Am I, like, say if I were to, like, if I was pressing on you right now, like, am I taller than you?
Yeah, but not like that.
Okay, more so something more like,
Boy, I don't want that far away from me.
Hi, my name's Cameron. How's your name?
That's better.
That's good. Okay. Kayla. See, man, I'm gonna put y'all on game. When you talk to females, make sure to hold their hand. This is a secret. I'm putting y'all on game. It isn't long. This is how you do it. Okay. See how she continue showing. See how she continues shaking her hand. If she holds her hand longer than 5 seconds, you might have a chance. Other than that, you go away. But okay, for those, okay, for me, let's say me. Am I tall enough?
Yeah.
What's minimum height?
They won't eat the velvet. Are y'all still doing this?
Yes.
Have we got anywhere?
No.
Nah.
Here is okay.
Right there.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Like, here's
Alright,
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
I'm
just
saying,
ask
yeah.
us questions now.
Yeah.
Alright, you like muscle? Want to feel it?
I don't want to figure
She's-
But you're yeah.
1 out of scale of 1 to 10, go.
I'll give you
Be careful what you think.
I'll give you a 9.
I'm not.
Yeah, because your eyelash. I like your eyelash.
I get that. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? You got the nice, the little hair. I like your hair. The natural hair is going. It's perfect. The hair is here. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. You know what I'm saying? You got a nice little figure on you type shit. So I probably give you a 9 back type shit. Like, give me a question. I want a question. I want to be interviewed. Let's go.
She ain't even said anything.
Yeah, what you
No,
said?
that's
Yeah,
y'all
no.
now.
Give me a question.
I don't know.
Give me a question.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying this.
I already have two big stuff that made my nine.
I know, it just gets getting better and better.
This nine is amazing.
No.
Just ask me, what do you want to know? Just know.
Well, I don't even know you, so.
Okay, well, ask something. Get to know me. That's the point.
Are you from here?
Yes.
Okay. There we go.
Like,
Like,
from here, from here?
like down the street.
That's great. How was everything?
Like, I'm like 3 minutes away.
Go to college? A lot of people like our
How old are you?
18.
Glad y'all like
I'll be 19 in 2 months.
Graduate?
What school did you go
French
to?
bread, put that coleslaw on top.
Damn. That's the right thing we gotta do there.
Sound like you already got a plan.
I do.
What's your name?
Cameron.
Huh? What's your last name? Y'all have a great night.
You're being personal.
You said that.
You said get
If
personal.
you give me a snap, I'll tell you. Got exchange.
The Instagram.
Instagram?
Where's your phone?
It's recorded.
No, it's his phone. Y'all so weird. How do y'all?
This is strange.
She's not talking. She's making it hard. She's not.
Well, okay, at first it was three of
She's
us,
making it.
At first it was 3 of us.
and now it's me.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, at least you still. You know what I'm saying?
Hanging on
To
by
be fair,
You know what I'm saying? You too. I
I
say
would
I
do
go
y'all's own thing.
follow the Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Cool. Appreciate it, but I'm like
What's that?
like whales, like you know the things that swim in the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a whale.
I know what a whale is.
But no, thank y'all for the hospitality. Love the energy. Y'all have a good one. You know what I'm saying? Oh,
Psych!
so like, I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? So I did come here for order, and I think I secured my order. You know what I'm saying? You know what you do with orders?
Whoa, 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 hey.
You take them out, type shit. So like, would you be willing to go? Like, I'm fine doing it. But no, y'all, thank y'all for the hospitality again. Sound like amazing people. Y'all be blessed. Excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry to bother you guys. How you guys doing today?
good.
Okay, so if you guys don't know me, I'm a black person. Yeah, I'm black. So I'm gonna go around the table so I get to know everybody. So you have to get to it, all right? How are you doing? That's great. What's your name? Macy. Macy Davis. Cool. How about you? How about you? Oh, we can record.
Oh no.
Can record. All right, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So far we got one. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to A&E. And we got kicked out of Walmart because the coach was not messing with us. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna hop right into it.
You need McDonald's?
I McDonald's. Yeah, we're gonna hop into it. Yeah, stay tuned. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I remember y'all heard of me. I was like, really young. Oh, I don't know who that is. Bro, why are you recording this, bro? Anyway, what you got? What are your names?
Savannah Barron.
That's amazing. Okay, so quick question. Y'all seem old enough. How old are y'all?
24.
Okay, oh my god. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm totally not a YouTuber. I'm not even recording. I don't know who this guy is. I don't know him. But I gotta. Yeah, so basically I'm just going around, just meeting people, saying what's up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm actually from Tennessee.
I'm from Shelbyville.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm from here.
From here? How far, in the city?
I'm from Carthage, but I live in Howard.
Oh, you live in something. I got a good question. So like, on a scale of 1 to 340, what's that guy's rating?
340?
Well, I'm married, so I'm gonna say 0.
She's like, I'm sorry. Married to?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay, well hypothetically, you're not gonna see me again. So like,
340.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
340.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Okay,
there
cool.
you
All right. So, okay. I'm gonna do a dance move. I'm gonna make a deal. I'm gonna do a dance move.
Okay.
Depending on this dance move, if it's good enough, is it possible I can get at least an Instagram or a Snapchat or something?
No.
I'm sorry.
And what can I do? Like, if my dance is good, what can I get out of it? Like a handshake, a hug, or something?
I'll give you a high five.
High five? High five? Okay, cool. All right.
I can do that.
Can y'all beatbox?
No.
Okay. Do y'all know what getting started is?
Huh?
Y'all know what getting started is? Can I teach
Yes.
y'all? Can I teach y'all?
Sturdy?
You do?
I'm not gonna do it.
Can I teach you, please? Say, please, let me teach you how to do the dance, please. It's fun, I promise, please say it.
Well, I
It's
can't
fun.
dance.
Please, I know, but please, it's gonna be good, I promise. I'm gonna teach you,
Okay.
Okay, great, I got you. Okay. Guys, we're gonna get started, boy. Yeah. So, step 1, you know what I'm saying? Casey 3000, shout out to you, my boy. Alright, so you gonna hit that 1, foot out, come in, and back up. So you're gonna put a little bounce in. Yeah, so we're gonna start from the right, and then we're gonna right, left. We're gonna go at the same time. We're gonna go in synchronization. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Right, left. Yeah. All right,
Is
man.
that it?
No, we gotta do more.
Oh gosh.
Okay, now you gotta learn how to do the kickback. You know what I'm saying? So
Do what?
the kickback. So once you get through with that, then you gotta go forward, back. So you gotta go forward, back. Like, yeah, like that. So
When?
I'm gonna tell you. So we're
Okay.
gonna do the little step first.
I done forgot what we did.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little step first. So
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Then come back.
What?
All right, we're gonna skip that part. All right, last part. So last part, you gotta drop. So you're gonna hit that. You're gonna hit
Like,
that.
drop, like-
You're gonna drop it.
These legs don't work like that.
Okay, do something like you gotta hit the. Just do it like, just go like this. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just something
You
like,
want me
yeah, just, you know what I mean? So we're gonna put it all together tight. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so freestyle, go. On 3, go. Just do your thing. Freestyle, go. Yeah.
You gotta do it with me.
Ready?
What are we doing?
Okay, so we're gonna do kick. We're gonna do that twice.
And then,
Yeah. We're gonna do this twice, and then we're gonna go on the ground and you're gonna hit the tight. Yeah.
okay.
All right, ready? 3, 2. That's your record. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Back twice.
I just hit it just one time. Just hit it.
You know, there's a lot of people at Walmart. You might just gotta get down to do this.
No, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching.
Yes.
Thank you too. I'm looking for my uncle. He like my uncle. I don't know who he is. But
Oh,
anyway,
what is that?
I don't know. Well, who is you?
Baby, is your camera on?
Yes, it was like.
Nah, I don't know who that is. But anyway, I'm looking for my uncle. He about yay high, about maybe 5'6", bald headed. He kind of swole body, big feet. I'm looking for him because he go around and like he look for like women and stuff. And he's very lustful. When he see a black woman, especially he just go crazy. And we gotta get him out the streets. You seen anybody like that? You haven't?
What y'all doing? Y'all doing a YouTube video?
Nah, I don't even know what's YouTube.
Y'all some mess.
But yeah, just let me know if you find him though.
I kind of look bad.
Hey, Will, we're doing an interview.
You know what I'm saying? We're here with.
Riley.
Madison.
Yeah, video cut out like halfway through. I'm not replaying all that, but yeah.
Getting their DMs or like, I don't care what people say, liking a post is cheap because that's showing attention to another woman.
But don't men usually show attention to other women in public when they're walking around in public areas?
My man better not.
But that doesn't mean he doesn't. You know, see?
But I mean,
No,
even
But
if you're giving yourself to someone mentally, like when your woman isn't around, that's cheating to me.
I think women do because I feel like that's crazy. You said men. I think women have more access because let's say you're a woman, right, or a girl. You go to the store. If you ask 10 guys, you know, if they want to lay it down, like Lord, they gonna say like lay it down. 9 out of 10, majority, she gonna get majority of them because the most of them be like, hell yeah. But if a man does that to some girls, all of them are gonna be like, you know, girls are more guarded, so they're like, I don't even know you like. You know,
see, I don't know one girl who's gonna go up to a man and be like, hey, I want you.
Right.
Like maybe it's just how my friend group is, but we're not like big chasers. So like, yes, there might be women out there that are like, yeah, I want this man, but
I
my
guess being
friends.
around him, like knowing women that his people are associated with, I do know that there are a lot of women like that. So
Yeah.
probably equal to me, 50-50. I think a man and a woman are just
Everybody's
equal to
50.
cheat. Yeah.
All right, last question of the day. Name the top 3 red flags. Like, if he's this or has this or acts like this, it's just a number. Like, you're like at the bottom of the, you're like a cockroach, like type shit. Like, what makes somebody a cockroach? Like,
Baby mamas, ex-wives, no job.
That was good.
that was good.
Well, I can't say baby mamas. I don't know. I mean, I think for each person it varies again. It's like, I don't know. That's hard.
I knew mine.
I know. You have your red flags. I'm with somebody, so it's hard for me to talk to them.
Why are you with him?
I like him.
What does he do for you?
He has shown that he has committed to me through everything, and that he is willing to better himself for me and our family. So, yeah.
Doing on the family.
Thank you.
You look very nice, educated, good looking, natural looking. So, one more thing, if you want to subscribe to the channel, right?
If I had a YouTube, sure.
Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Can I get your Instagram?
Yeah.
The whole point of this video was actually to see, you know what, I'm gonna let you, if y'all actually watch the video, you know like that. I'm saying, well, this is what Cam baby, I'm saying we're here with
Oh, Gabby.
Gabby. How old are you?
I'm 16.
Okay, I can't ask the first question. Okay, so, okay, describe the perfect date.
I don't know, something simple.
Simple, like,
I can. Oh, that's real cute.
a picture. Okay, what kind of, what you gonna bring?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Strawberries, like blueberries, watermelon, like just fruit. But y'all do like, what y'all, are you more like the artistic type? You maybe like just paintings together?
Oh, that's so cute.
Something like that.
I'm
Like
not artistic. I'm not artistic, but I'll try.
What would you do?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm really cold.
Okay, last question for you. Y'all have a question? Any question like this?
Are you perfect?
Yeah,
I'm perfect. What grade are you in?
just turned on today.
Oh, that's good. Are you in college? Alright, nice to meet you.
Y'all want to subscribe? I'll show y'all.
Sure.
Back at it again. We're here with.
Running Hill.
Alright, you know what I'm saying? Can you see me?
Huh?
You see me?
Yes, at Kamal's church.
You've never seen me before.
Wait, what's your name?
George.
Oh,
Yeah. Alright, first question of the day is, you know what I'm saying? Based off the outfit, scale of 1 to 10. Off the outfit, not looks.
Yours?
Yeah, off the
You
outfit.
got on slides, my boy.
A 5.
Damn. Okay. Second question is, describe your like dream guy. Like, what do you look for in a guy?
It sounds to be respectful, like have manners. Yeah, I guess so that, and a good personality.
Personality. What about appearance wise?
I don't really care about appearance. I mean,
You got a height preference?
no, they just came sort of to be.
Or is it like right here?
Absolutely not.
What if they're your height?
I don't care about that. They just can be sort of to be.
Or can it be like a certain race? Like, no matter?
No.
I'm scared of them.
Huh?
I'm scared of them.
Okay, last question. You got a question for me? Alright, cool.
Hey, I'm hurrying.
Alright, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Alright, YouTube, it's like Cam Bell with it, you know what I'm saying? We here with. Y'all gotta be loud, man.
Michelle. Maya. Michelle.
Alright, so the first question of the day is describe your dream guy. What's your type? What's your type? What do you look for in a guy?
Dark skin, chocolate milk.
Can you have more description? I feel like every single girl wants a dark, tall, black.
She can tell you something. You said.
Alright, second question. Playing the perfect dream date, but you only have to know. Who do you pick? The last person I asked. y'all get a bucket from the house and you get some finger food?
No. It's like that. Yes, it is. Yes.
I work at a store.
Y'all must come from one of the different ones.
She working.
Alright, last question. On a scale of 1 to 10, who's the favorite? What is the chances that you will force somebody to do small, right?
That's a 10.
Like right now?
That's a 10.
I do it right now.
She can do that. Look, I can make it right now.
I'm too old. Alright, video done. What's good, YouTube? This boy Cam been with it, and we're here with
Amaya, Malaysia, Lisi.
type shit. Alright, first question of the day is, can y'all beautiful ladies scale me on a scale? Damn, nigga.
Rachel.
Type shit, you know.
Rachel.
Yeah, right now scale. I
One
ain't got
and
no.
a half. I'm playing.
I ain't got no type of clothes on. So I just
Yeah. He can. He pressure.
type shit. It's not what's on you some things type shit. It's like y'all look good. Y'all look good as fuck.
Thank you.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, exactly.
get
Follow
you.
us on Instagram.
All right, second question of the day is, describe your dream type. What you look for in a guy?
Like how what I want to be with. Yeah, no, like how
what's
you
your-
want him to be, like.
Yeah, like what you look for in a guy?
I don't know, like you just gotta be. I just want him to like be sweet.
You gotta be loyal.
Yeah, loyal.
Yeah. I always want him to like show up
And don't
like I need you
flowers.
back to show up with flowers.
Take me on dates, unexpected stuff.
Where would you want to go?
Like after you picnics or like movie dates and stuff. Or, like trips, like get on a flight.
You want to go to Bora Bora? You look like a Bora Bora. Bahamas, Bora Bora, Africa. You want to go?
Cali.
Out.
Or like Jamaica.
See, Africa. What about y'all? What y'all look for? Besides loyalty.
He gotta be
You
my
gotta
skinny
get right.
money.
You just gotta get.
All right,
you just
okay.
gotta
I
be right.
got an easy question. What is a turn off? Immediate turn off.
Lying.
Yeah, lying.
Lying
texting
too
other
much.
girls,
Like what you got like?
taking the back slow, not giving me attention.
What?
Don't give you attention.
That's why I'm single now.
Oh, okay, yeah, turn off like
Lying.
when you acting weird. Like, when you get around certain people, like I got
Like you fake.
Like,
you
yeah.
get
You know
bougie.
you
Too
Yeah,
basic.
stop playing with me.
Yeah. You try to act hard in front of your
You different people in different circumstances.
Yeah.
I really put this shit.
You did.
Did I put this shit on?
Oh y'all.
Let me put this shit. Man, we better trio.
Besides a trip with a food place.
Okay. You finna ask us more?
Unless y'all want to do my trip.
Nuh-uh. You only got one.
Alright, one more question. Y'all got any questions for me?
You got a girlfriend? For real? You want a girlfriend?
I'm not with her right now. I'm off the market.
You have to learn it.
I'm hustling right now. I gotta get my pay up. You know, girls don't like broke niggas, so
Right.
I gotta get my pay first. Then I'll go live with her.
You look like you got money.
It's fun.
You do YouTube, so I know you got money.
I am not monetized yet. That's why I'm, you know,
How old are you?
basically.
You look young. 16.
I say feeding y'all.
Why we look older?
You look older than me.
Wow. Okay. Any more questions? That's it.
Unless y'all got anything else.
We the little people you ain't ask questions before.
Probably. No, y'all was straight. Y'all actually did good. Had to give a group hug for everyone. A group hug for my black sisters.
Ooh.
Alright.
For my black